Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Masser, along with Tim Stenovic. Let's get you some stocks on the move. And we have in the house Carmen Reinecke. She's Bloomberg News equities reporter. You're going to talk about Apple.
We have to. I mean, it's one of the biggest stories in the after hours. I mean, so earnings beat pretty much across the board, especially on things that, investors were really looking for. So iPhone, iPad revenue, China, which has been a big sort of line item for Apple. The shares are up. They've paired a little bit. They're up about 1.3% in the after hours right now. This is ticker AAPL. Apple has been one of the biggest laggards in the Mag 7 this year. It was down 17% at market close today. And, because it's one of the biggest companies in the S&P, it's been a huge drag. I mean, obviously, we're still at, at or near record highs. So all the other stocks are, they're doing the work. But, getting this one sort of back in the game would be really great.
Okay, shares Apple in the after hours ahead of the call where we're recording this up about 1.2%. Mm-hmm. Amazon, also one that you're watching in the after hours, given we just heard from the company as well.
Yeah, so this one is not looking quite as good. It's down 2.6% right now, ticker AMZN. Really here it's the guide, I think, that investors are reacting to. It's the operating profit for the third quarter. It's just less than, what investors wanted to see. And it's really what it's signaling is that there's a worry that Amazon is spending too much on AI and that it's cutting into their profit, right? And so obviously spending on AI is a huge, important thing that these companies need to be doing to be keeping up, but investors still want to see that return on investment. So Amazon dragging a little bit. It's up about 6.7% today, year to date before earnings.
In terms of pops after the market closed, just real quickly, got about 30 seconds. Reddit. It is ticker RDDT, and it's up about 14%. What's going on?
Yeah, I wanted to talk about Reddit because this is a pretty big move. The company is also sort of an AI name because, a lot of LLMs or whatever use Reddit to train. So basically, the company reported its most profitable quarter. It went public in 2024, projected third quarter sales that beat expectations, and it really signals strength of the advertising business. I think this is also really interesting coming after Meta.
I was just thinking the same thing.
There's definitely a tie there. So we're seeing that this is a place where AI is really working, and Reddit was basically unchanged year to date at the close. So should be a good story tomorrow morning.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.